If you're looking for a pair of headphones, here's some good news for you because the Apple AirPods Pro will be going on sale during 11/11 and you can get it at a lower price tag. In other news, the Poco M4 Pro 5G and also the Huawei Nova 9 has finally arrived in Malaysia, and we now have the pricing and availability details of these devices. So without further ado, let's get started. Looking for new AirPods? While the 3rd generation AirPods is their latest model and it boasts up to 30 hours of playback time, their top-of-the-line AirPods Pro with active noise cancellation can now be yours at an even lower price point. You can get it for less than 800 ringgit during the upcoming 11/11 online sale. Authorized Apple reseller, Machines, has revealed that it is offering the AirPods Pro for only 799 ringgit from midnight on 11th of November 2021 on its official store on Shopee. The AirPods Pro officially retails for 1,099 ringgit while the AirPods 3 costs 829 ringgit. It is worth highlighting that during the launch of the AirPods 3, Apple has also updated the AirPods Pro charging case with MagSafe support. The Huawei Nova 9 has officially arrived in Malaysia, and this is their latest flagship smartphone under the Nova series. If you're interested, pre-orders are now available and Huawei Malaysia is actually bundling a bunch of freebies worth 829 ringgit. The Huawei Nova 9 with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage is officially priced at 1,999 ringgit in Malaysia. Interestingly, it is the same price as the Honor 50 with the same RAM and storage configuration. The Nova 9 is available in 2 colors, so there's Starry Blue and Black, and you can purchase it on the Huawei online store as well as Lazada and Shopee. The device is now available for pre-order from the 8th until the 19th of November 2021, and you will get a Huawei FreeBuds Pro worth 699 ringgit and complimentary gifts from Huawei Mobile Services worth 130 ringgit. New users will get 1 month 50GB of cloud storage, 1 month of trial for Huawei Video Plus Unlimited Pass, 3 months of trial for Huawei Music Premium, book credits on Huawei Books, in-game gift packs on Huawei App Gallery, and 30% off selected Huawei themes. Overall, this device looks kind of similar like the Honor 50, but it lacks 5G and also Google Mobile Services. The Huawei Nova 9 features a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, a Snapdragon 778G processor, a quad camera setup, and also a 4,300 mAh battery. Next up on the list, we have Xiaomi, because Xiaomi Malaysia has officially launched the Poco M4 Pro 5G, and this is their brand new budget smartphone that comes with 5G. This new phone actually succeeds the Poco M3 Pro 5G that was announced this year in June. But the Poco M4 Pro 5G offers several significant upgrades, including a higher resolution 50-megapixel camera and a more powerful processor while keeping the price under 1,000 ringgit. The Poco M4 Pro 5G will go on sale in Malaysia starting from 11/11. So in terms of pricing, the Poco M4 Pro 5G that comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage is going for 849 ringgit, while the highest spec variant that comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage is going for 999 ringgit. During the 11/11 sale, which is happening exclusively on Shopee, you can get an additional 100 ringgit off while stocks last. So that means the Poco M4 Pro that comes with 64GB of storage can be yours for 749 ringgit, while the 128GB version is offered for 899 ringgit. Astro is now streaming Netflix on its 4K-enabled Ultrabox as part of its all-new Astro experience. The partnership was first announced in June, and it is part of its ambition to be the #1 aggregator of its best streaming services in Malaysia. The Netflix streaming service is currently bundled with Astro's Entertainment Plus pack, which costs 129 ringgit and 99 cents per month, and Platinum pack from 194 ringgit and 99 cents per month. The packs are offered with 0, 12 months or 24 months contracts. Obviously, you'll pay less when you commit to a higher contract duration. However, to enjoy streaming apps such as Netflix and HBO Go, you must subscribe with a minimum of 12 months contract. Customers who sign up for their Astro broadband packages will also enjoy complimentary Netflix for 3 months. This is a limited time offer from 15th of November 2021. According to Astro's Netflix page, the plans comes with Netflix Standard by default. The Standard plans provides Full HD 1080p streaming on 2 simultaneous screens. If you want to get 4K streaming with support for 4 simultaneous streams, you can upgrade to Netflix Premium for an additional 9 ringgit and 43 cents per month. Alright, so that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like our video if you liked it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!